What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. I am your cook, Spinelli. Yes, I am the self-proclaimed wing king. And yes, the prince and ruler of all lemon pepper wings. Guys, I had a subscriber send me a message and say, I never get tired of hearing you say that. And you know what I told him? Me neither. I never get tired of hearing myself say that. So click that link above me and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the best lemon pepper wings on the planet. So let's respect the lemon pepper. All right, let's respect the lemon pepper. Now, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a cheesy beef sandwich. Now, I know it sounds simple, but it's fulfilling and it's delicious. I know you guys are gonna love it. You saw the thumbnail. I know you just wanted to bite into that. So without further ado, I'm already in my kitchen. I hope you're in yours, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have real quick. I have some fresh Hoagie Rolls right here, so make sure you get those Hoagie Rolls. I got some ground beef. I'm using the 85-15. I don't want the 80-20. I don't want that much fat in it for this particular recipe. Also, I have some fresh cheddar cheese from the deli that I'm going to shred. And also, I have some balsamic vinegar. Now, if you don't have any balsamic vinegar, you can use Worcestershire sauce. I have salt, olive oil. I have a southern blend right here of seasoning. You can use any type of seasoning you want. You can use some Lawry's. You don't necessarily have to have this particular season, but you just want some type of seasoning for your meat. You can use some Montreal steak season. That works too. Also, I have a bell pepper, 1 onion, black pepper, some cream of mushroom, and I have 1 garlic clove. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys. So here are all our ingredients measured out. So let me tell you what I have here. I have a pound of ground beef. I have 2 cups of cheese. You can use 1 to 2 cups, but I'm going to use 2 cups because I want mine cheesy. I have a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom. I have a small onion chopped. I have 2 teaspoons of that southern blend. I have 1 minced garlic. I have a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 bell pepper chopped. I have 2 teaspoons of balsamic vinegar. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, and I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So these are the ingredients we're going to use. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start preparing our meat, but we're going to add our olive oil to our pan, and we're going to let that come up to temperature. All right, so now that our oil is up to temperature, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef. And we're going to get this thing all chopped up. And we're going to go ahead and add our onion also. And we're going to cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes. Right now we're about 3 to 4 minutes in. So I'm going to let it cook for about 4 more minutes. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add our seasoning to our meat. You know we got to put that flavor in there. So I'm going to add my southern seasoning blend. Like I say, guys, you can add Lawry's or whatever type of seasoning blend you want. I got this southern seasoning blend that I want to add. We're going to move this around. And then next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and introduce our chopped green peppers along with our minced garlic. Go ahead and add that, and we're going to let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, so now we are about 3 minutes in. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start adding our cream of mushroom soup. Then we add our balsamic vinegar. We'll add our salt, and lastly, our pepper. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. All right, so now we're 5 minutes in, so I've got this combined really, really well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add our cheese. You know, the cheese is the star of the show. And remember, guys, I have two cups of cheese. You can use 1 cup if you want to. It all just depends on your cheese level. I have a high cheese level. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get that all mixed in like that. All right, guys, so I have the cheese mixed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these hoagie buns stuffed with this mixture, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and stuff my hoagie bun right here, and we're just gonna start stuffing right in there, just like that. Ooh wee. Take a look at that. What do you guys think about that? Ooh wee. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting the rest of them together, and I will be right back. And there you have it, guys. Cheesy beef sandwiches. Let me know what you think about this. This is a very easy recipe. Not that many ingredients. It's something you can whip up real quick for lunchtime. It's not really an appetizer. It's like something that you can, even, like I say, whip up for lunchtime. It can also be something for dinner, but it's real quick, very tasty. All it is, cheese, ground beef, onions, bell peppers, bam. And this is what you got. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. If you like this, go ahead, hit that like button for me. And you know, if you hadn't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. Also, if you need the ingredients to this recipe, check them out in the video description below. I put the measurements and the items in the video description below. That way you guys know what you need to make this recipe. And if it's your first time here and you like these type of recipes, go ahead, consider subscribing. I know you're going to enjoy the content. So before I go, do you want me to take a bite of this and let you guys know what it tastes like? Let me grab this bad baby right here. Look at that bad baby right there. Oh man, look at that bad baby. Let me go ahead and taste it real quick. Man, this bad baby good. Guys, look at that. This your boy Spinelli. I gotta get out of here because I gotta go ahead and eat this thing. Man, look at the cheese in there. Guys, you can't see that cheese in there? Look at that. Man, this is delicious. All right, I'm out. I'm your cook, Spinelli. I'm out of here. All wings, everything, and I am out. Peace.